A random sample of 100 women attending a local college has a mean height of 64.24 inches. It is known that the standard deviation of the height of the women aged 18 to 22 years is 0.5 inches. Test the hypothesis that the women from this local college are taller than the reported national average of 64.1 inches. Use alpha equal 0.5. We know that n equals 100, the sample mean was 64.24, and the population standard deviation is 0.5 inches. Write the hypotheses. The null hypothesis will be mu equals 64.1 inches, and the alternative is mu greater than 64.1 inches, since we are interested in whether the women at this college are taller. The model that we will use is, since we know the population standard deviation, we will use a one-sample z-test. Mechanics. The z statistic will be the population mean (64.24) minus the hypothesized mean of 64.1 divided by the population standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size, which was 100. Simplifying, we get 0.14 over 0.05, which is equal to 2.8. Conclusion. For an alpha level of 0.05, we would reject if the z-score exceeds 1.645. Since this test statistic exceeds 1.645, we reject H0. The women from this local college, on average, are taller than the reported average of 64.1 inches. Using Excel or a TI-8384 calculator, we can find the p-value. The p-value for this test is 0.0026, which is smaller than the stated alpha level, so we reject the null. Remember, the 95% confidence interval we calculated earlier is shown here. It's from 64.142 inches up to 64.338 inches. Notice that 64.1 inches does not fall within this interval, which supports our conclusion.